Happy life.
Hi, ayan, kusot yung jacket. Okay, hi everyone. So, today is Wednesday. So, pupunta lang tayo guys ng library. So, mag-get ready muna tayo. Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-sunblock. I'm using the Dermaveen Sensitive Sun SPF 50. So, ito na lang din siguro gamitin natin sa face natin. Ako, nalagyan ko yung mic ko ng... Ayan. Pupunta tayo guys sa mall na malapit sa amin. Kasi guys, may library doon. So, I'm gonna bring you guys sa library dito. So, sabi ng good friend namin, si Ma'am Ellie, we can borrow books there. Basta meron lang kaming library card. And it's for free, I think. Ayan guys, so makeup lang tayo. Sunblock, and then I'll be using my... Ito guys, yung mga marami kong local brands na dala from Pinas. Para not gonna buy here. So, meron tayong Get Ready With Me palette. So, ito siya guys. Yung may brows na kasama. And then, lagyan lang tayo ng kilay. Because kilay is life. So, mabilis. Ang gayak lang to. So, naigayak na natin anak natin. So, siya ang madalas kong inuunang igayak. And, sabi ko, why not i-vlog ko yung ganap namin for today. So, yung palang mall dito, sa likod nun, nandun yung library. So, mag-grocery din kami ng konti lang, mga kulang-kulang pa namin na stash dito sa house. And then, si Dad, andun din guys yung gym niya. So, mag-gym na siya later. Alligator. Ayan. Kasi guys, meron tayong kailangang i-print. And let us check kasi sabi, pwedeng mag-print sa library. Wala kasi akong printer dito guys sa bahay. And you know, ang mahal guys ng ink dito. Ang murang bumili ng printer, yung mga basic na printer natin dyan sa Pinas, mga ganun guys. The problem is, ang mahal ng ink. Alam niyo ba guys, nakita ko ang pinakamurang ink dito na brand is yung Epson, yung gamit natin dyan sa Pinas. And it cost $18 kada isang kulay. Girl, magkano yung manok? I-compare mo na lang girl sa manok. So, I'm using the Strokes blush in the shade Virgin. Ito guys. Ito siya. Tapos, ito siya sa cheeks. So, again, ang base lang natin ay yung sunblock. That's it. So, imaginein mo, girl, yung manok. Magkano yung manok? 1 kilo dito, guys. Nasa 7 lang ata or less pa. Tapos, magkano ink? Diba? Parang di kahilaturan bumili ng ink. Kaya parang gustuhin ko man bumili ng printer para mag-print ng activities ni Luis. Ganyan. Ngayong term break. Kaya lang, hindi siya ideal. Sobrang mahal niya, girl. Mahal yung ink, pero yung printer carry ng budget. Magkano lang isang printer dito, guys? Nasa 70, parang $50 or $70 lang, ganun, guys. Tapos, alay lipstick natin dito, girl. Nailipat ko pala yung lipstick doon. So, yun, guys. Mag-lipstick na lang tayo. Tapos, kabit lang natin yung relo natin. At, aalis na tayo. And I'm gonna bring you guys with us. Okay, let's go. Okay, hi everyone. We're going to the library and grocery. Let's go. Maglalakadan tayo kasi malapit lang.
In-order lang ah. In-order na yung...
Ano? Ano in-order?
Guys.
Aray ko. Ay, naka-shades siya. Kasi
In-order na yung
mainit.
sasakyan. Oh.
Ayun eh. Sana ma-approve, Charis. Okay, so lalakadan tayo guys. Ba't ikay nakapayo? Kasi malapit lang yung grocery guys. Tsaka sa likod nun yung library. Kaya lalakarin lang namin. Anong oras na, Dad?
3.
3. Kaya medyo mataas pa yung araw. Ganda maglaba. Yes, love. Kasi ilang araw na umuulan, di ba? Yes. Yes, love?
Bumandi araw.
Oo.
I wish you can buy me a car.
Yes, on the way na
A
anak.
small
Sorry.
car para I can drive home.
Ay, sus. Ayan guys, naligaw kami. Sa harap lang pala. Nakatago kasi siya. So ito guys yung library. Manunda Library. Wow. Yes lang. It's a big book. For my sisters and brothers. We have 9 sisters and 9 sisters and brothers. And Sally, Leila, Mary, Nancy, Jane, Betsy, Joe, Jordan, John.
Wait, I have a friend also named Nancy.
Yeah, I know. And especially for Sally, the eldest. Yeah, we're coloring.
I guess the library is fun.
Library is fun? Yeah. You have to slow down kasi mabubutos yung papel, ano?
But I was slowing down. I need to use it. We have. What's
Nice.
this?
It's another pen. It's different. Look.
What is different?
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa may store sa baba ng mall guys. Masot yung jacket mo? We'll be quick. Ayan guys, so ito yun na grocery natin for today. Dalawang ganito lang guys. Tapos maglalakad na kami pa uwi. Ayan, we're home. Maraming nabili, ha? Ayan, meron siyang dumplings, telescope, tapos bumili rin kami ng bago niyang activity. What color?
Yay! Dad! Look! A happy smile!
You like it, love?
Random ba yung order?
Oo, random.
I told you I was doing dumpling. I really want to get this.
Oh, you got the... What did you got? You got the rainbow. Yan ba yung rainbow, love?
Yeah.
Oh.
All the colors.
Oh, are you happy, love?
Yeah, I thought it was not. It is
Sus! Tapos guys, ito, bumili kami ng bago. Refillable na hand wash.
Oh,
Tapos,
I
ano pa ba? Ayan, yung mga kulang lang sa house. Mga meat and veggies.
Oops.
Air fryer lang natin yung beef. Okay, tapos guys, naghiwa ako ng ito. Dito kabuti. Tapos lagyan ko to ng olive oil. Tapos, prep na natin to guys. At tapos yung ating air fryer. Ooh, look at that. That's for 10 minutes for 180 degrees. Daddy, clean your play area. Wow. Wow.
Look at your back.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot. Then how about the dumpling?
Thank you, Daddy.
is lost. It's time for me to give the moon spirit its life back. I caused this.
We shall see the return of Sauzin's
Okay, hi everyone. So, today is Thursday. So, pupunta tayo sa notaryohan dito, guys. Kasi may ipapanotaryo tayong document. And it's very important para maging registered teacher tayo sa Victoria as well. So, for those people na hindi alam, registered teacher tayo sa New Zealand, sa Philippines, tsaka dito sa Queensland. And later on, magiging registered teacher na din tayo sa Victoria. So, every state, kailangan magpaparegister kung gusto nyo magturo sa mga iba't ibang state. So, yun yung process dito. And, may bibilin pa tayong ibang veggies sa bahay. So, hopefully makahanap ako ng tofu. Kasi guys, kahapon hindi namin makita sa aisle ng tofu section yung tokpa na hinahanap ko kasi parang ubos na siya.
We used to call it Richard.
Before?
We called our Ford gear the name Richard. Disgusting person.
Ayan guys, yung mga nabili natin. Bumili tayo ng something sa grocery dito. Nasa ilalim siya. Tapos pang picnic sa Kmart. Tapos mga organizer for our cabinet. And we're waiting for our Uber. And this is our view.
What's this? It looks a dog.
Okay, so ito yung closet natin. So, hindi natin to naaayos pa at the moment kasi inuna natin yung kiladad. So, kanina guys, ito, bumili ko nito. Ano, $9 lang. It's a linen look open storage box. Para guys, kasi ilalagay ko dito yung mga damit ko. Tapos, iangat ko lang para madaling linisin yung ano kasi 'di ba nagka-case ng mold yung kabilang kwarto. So, meron pang isa yun. Saan ko ba nalagay yun? Ito. Ito, guys. So, meron tayo isang linen look hanging organizer. Kakahawig nung kila daddy, guys. So, kakabit natin to dyan para maging organized tayo dito. So, time naman natin ngayon para ayusin yung cabinet ko. Kasi tulog na, guys, si Luis. So, naayos ko na yung kanila. So, lagi una yung kanila. And that's it. And see you on my next video. Bye, guys.